Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, my what do you call my cooking show. You can see, as you can see here, cheese. I'm not gonna try to make a long video. I'm gonna try my best to make it a short video and give you the the suafai. Okay, guys, I'm using ripe banana. When you go to shop, make sure it's try to pick the ripest banana. And what I'm using honey, coconut milk, and some condensed milk. Okay, you can just use sugar, but I like my food glassy and different flavors when you bite to it. And I'm using tapioca cycle. The tapioca cycle, buy the colorful one. But you can always just buy the plain white one. But I like like I tell you, I like the color in my food. Flavor and color in food, it's very important to me. Okay guys, let's go on with this. I've got a big pot here. And we peel the banana. I'm gonna just peel the banana and show you. I'm sure we all can peel banana. Okay guys, you gotta remember to take all the lines of the banana. See the line outside? Because there's nothing worse with a suafai. When you eat up, it's got those line things. And just break it up and put it in the pot. You can mash them up, do whatever you want. And okay, I'm gonna keep peeling this banana and I'll be back. I tell you, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as can be. And it's better for you to watch. Okay, I'm gonna keep peeling the banana. Hi guys, welcome back. I just peeled like 16 banana. It's all breaking up and burning in. Now I'm going to turn the stove on. The stove's on high. Now I'm going to put a lid of water. Just enough water to level with that banana. See? Perfect. There, let's bring it to the boil. And once it brings it to the boil, give it a couple of minutes and then you add your cycle. Because our cycle is, it takes a while to cook too. So it's perfect. I made mine putting honey and coconut cream and this milk. It's just to put different flavors in there. Just, except adding a lot of sugar, I will use the honey and and this milk. Yeah, let's keep going with this. It's going to take a while to boil those bananas. So I'll be back in a minute. And when you buy your banana and it all go black, you're too slow to eat them, then you can put them in the freezer and frozen. They're perfect for this kind of food. It's a salmon dessert. I take the island salmon dessert and put some my own classy stuff in it. But you can just use plain sugar, plain cycle, just white. But this is my way of doing suafai. Because I'm in Australia, I'm not in Samoa anymore. Yeah, you put your flavour in. I'll be back. Talk too much. Hey guys, now look, our banana is boiled. And look. And if you find it getting thick, you add more water. And I think now it's time to add our cycle. Because our cycle is going to take a while to boil. And yeah, going to add our cycle and when you add a cycle, you got to keep stirring because you don't want the cycle to burn. I hope you can see it. Our cycle. It's a colorful one. And you've got to keep stirring so you don't want the cycle to burn or to stick it out the bottom. Yeah. I think I'll add more cycle. Maybe I'll add the rest of the bag. It's nice to have a lot of sago in there. Hey, look guys, you can see the color of our sago there. And let's keep boiling it. Maybe you should add add a little bit more water. Make sure that sago is cooked. It's gonna get thick anyway. Okay, I'll be back in a minute to show you more of our cooking. And I think I've got a light coming from the back. Yeah, it's a Saturday afternoon. I'm making sago and I'm having a glass of wine. Yeah, shout out for Tyler and T. This is my Suafai that you request. But don't forget, you can always just use sugar and milk and coconut cream. But I'm adding the honey and some of this. You know, my nose is blocked up a little bit, guys. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. And you keep stirring, keep stirring the thing once you add the sago. See, and it starts to lumping up. You know, bubbling up, blowing bubbles from through the sago. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Hi guys. Yeah, I just add another liter of water in there. See, oh, Suafai, it's picking up. All our banana is cooked now. We're just waiting for the sago now to cook. Our stove's on low, cooking on low, so our sago is all cooked at the same time. Okay guys, bear with me and our Suafai will be ready soon. Okay. Hi guys, see, all the now banana is cooked. All we're waiting for is our sago to cook. So keep it on low and keep on stirring. It's the worst time to walk away from it, because you don't want your sago to stuck on the bottom and burn. Okay, well, I'm gonna go on with this. Look how beautiful the color of that red, green and white sago. You can just buy the normal sago, that's just a plain white ones. But I just love my food colorful, and it's fun for the kids to eat too. You know, you get the kids to eat it, kids will love it. I'm not adding any sugar because it's got a natural sugar from a lot of natural sugar from the banana. So I'm gonna just add honey and whatever, that milk. Bear with me guys. It's gonna take a while. So I might as well sing a song. Yeah. We got in a trap, whoa, 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 and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see, whoa, 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 what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say, we can go on together with suspicious minds, and we can build our dream on suspicious minds. So when old a friend I know, I smile and say hello. All I still see is suspicion in your eyes. So we go again, whoa, 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 asking where I've been. You can see the tears are real, I'm crying. We can go on together with suspicious minds,
and we can build our dreams on suspicious mind. Oh, let our love survive, or dry the tears from your eyes. Don't let good thing dies. However, honey, you know that I never lied to you. Oh, yeah, we got in a trap. Whoa, 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 and I can walk out because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know? Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say. Don't you know we got in a trap? I can walk out because I love you too much, baby. Don't you know we got in a trap? Whoa, 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 I can walk out.
Nice try, guys. See? Oh. Thing is nearly getting there. Just a matter of cooking that cycle. Our banana is just all cooking beautifully. I can really smell this. The beautiful aroma of the banana. With a cycle, that's no taste, so we're gonna add all the flavors on it as soon as this the cycle cook. So I'll be back, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back. Our cycle's been cooking for a while. See, when you know how to, the cycle is nearly cooked, you can tell by all the white cycle is turning white, clear. If it's still white spot on there in the cycle, that means it's not cooked. Okay, I've been stirring for the last half an hour. Now, look guys, it's very sticky now. I'm Suafai. Now I'm adding the coconut milk. Coconut milk. You can use coconut cream if you want, but this is what I like to add so it doesn't, I don't know, something to think about. But you can use any coconut cream. But I like the coconut milk. It's the same thing as a coconut cream. Exactly the same thing. Coconut milk is just a little bit light, a little bit lighter. Yeah, let's keep stirring. Because this thing, it's really easy to burn the bottom, the back of it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add in here, guys, is lemon leaves. I wash it very good, very well, the lemon leaves, and drop in there. That is just going to give the flavor of our suafai. I grew up in Samoa in the island, and I always watch my mum cook and my auntie and stuff. They always add lemon leaves on the dessert, the kopai. But if you can't find lemon leaves, you can add lemongrass. Lemongrass is exactly the same, but the original of the leaves we use in there is the lemon leaves. It's just giving that flavor into our suafai. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring these guys, and yeah, why not? Sit around waiting for our suafai to cook. See, it's beautiful. Beautiful. It's very sticky, but I find that I think I'm gonna add another coconut milk in there, another tin, because that's a lot. I made a lot of suafai. I didn't know I'm making heaps. Okay, there's our lemon leaves in there, guys. Our lemon leaves. It's giving that flavor. If you can't find the lemon leaves, add lemongrass. Yeah, we're getting our suafai cooked. I asked my family today, what do you feel like for dinner? My Palangi family. And they say, oh, they feel like they want to eat pig head. Ulupua, yeah. And why not? I got a ulupua now, the pig heads in the oven. It's cooking beautifully, very crunchy, very delicious. Just put lemongrass on the bottom and onions, just giving the moist flavor. And yeah, I hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys are well and safe and enjoy your family time. You know, the best time is the lockdown is still here, and yeah, that's our Suafai. Yeah, let's have a little drink. And let's keep cooking. It's just Suafai, but it takes a long time to cook. The fa'i means banana. The bananas cook already because they cook very fast and quick. It's the cycle. The tapioca pearls, that's the one that takes a while. But it's looking very clear. It's nearly there. And soon I'm going to add the honey and our milk. Just a couple of spoons and keep tasting it. If it's not sweet enough, because the banana is already sweet, so I'll add more. But you can just, like I said before, you can just add sugar if you like. Sugar and coconut milk and just plain white tapioca pearls. But you know, I like this flavor and color in my food. Might as well sing a song. Yeah, let's keep stirring and yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribe and like and comment if you like. Request your food if you feel like it. Love is plain as can on me so long. I started to believe I never find anyone that you had to convince me to give in. Say you can win. But one day the sun began shine through. The rain had stopped and the skies were blue. And all was variation to see. Someone will say I love you to me. A one in a million chance of a lifetime. And life shows compassion and sent to me a stroke of love calling you a one in a million you. I was a lonely man with the empty arms to fill. Then I found a piece of happiness to call my home. And life is worth living again. For to love you to me is to live. A one in a million chance of a lifetime. And life shows compassion. Keep stirring our foot, guys. Send to me a stroke of love calling you a one in a million you. My microphone. A one in a million chance of a life.
lifetime, and life shows compassion and sent to me a stroke of love calling you. A one in a million you. A one in a million you. That's enough of that stuff. Yeah, look, it's cooking beautifully. I'm gonna get another coconut thing. I'll be back, guys. Oh, you guys, I got another tin of coconut cream, coconut milk. I just poured a half in there. Our cycle is ready. It's all clear, it's all cooked. And thank goodness. I got tired of stir. That's why I keep singing a song. If you cook and it takes too long, yeah, why not? Having a little fun with it, isn't it? Turn that stove up a little bit more. We got our lemon leaves there. It's the flavor of our, to put the flavor into our, I need to say pisua, into our, yeah, see? Our suafai. Okay guys, I'm grabbing a spoon and I'm gonna test it. Taste it. Let's give it a little taste. Yeah. Beautiful. And that lemon leaf in there is making very even better. Okay, I'll grab another spoon, guys. I'm gonna open this tin. I need a bit of sugar in there. Now, instead of adding sugar, I'm gonna add a couple of spoons of this. Maybe three spoons of our freaking milk. Oh, sorry guys for that noise. And our suafai is nearly ready. Our honey. We use the same spoon. And squeeze our honey in there. Maybe another 3 spoons. A spoon of honey. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Somehow my light is going the other way. You can see the shadow of me. Yeah, 3 spoons of honey. Okay guys. Loving that honey. Yeah, that's about it. I think we're done here guys. It's just a minute now of serving it. Get all that honey in there. Give it a good stir. We've got to test this again. So I need more test spoon. Yeah, our suafai is ready. Wow, that is beautiful. When it's done guys, that's enough like this. If anybody feel like more sweet, you can add more honey or more of this. But it's perfect, it's done. Suafai, it's ready. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Wait, I'll be back in a minute. Right guys, we're finally done. Yeah. Got a pot over there now. That's our suafai guys. Beautiful. I use the color cycle tapioca. Just beautiful. And yeah, but you can use your own or use just a plain tapioca and plain stuff. But see, so hot. It's really hot. Cheers guys. Here's my suafai. And that lemon leaf is really giving the flavor to it, so it doesn't not just plain. And the banana, yeah. You have some guys. It's nice when it's a little bit thick like this. I don't like it when it's running. Okay.
Beautiful dessert. It's a Samoan dessert, Suafai. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, let's put this Suafai aside. I asked my family before, I told you, what they wanted for have for dinner, and they want a ulpua. These Palangi people want more and more ulpua. Soon enough I'll be looking like one. No, jokes. Okay, I just want to show you ulpua. Look at that. Just come out of the oven. There you go guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and thank you for your time sitting there, and you can laugh at me, I hope you do. And yeah. Let's taste some of this crunchy skin. Okay, don't drop it on our dessert. No. I'm gonna go away. I need to eat this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Hope you're all well and safe, and sorry if the video is long again. I think I sang too much. Of course I'm gonna sing to cook this. Every food I cook is singing. Okay guys, enjoy your weekend, long weekend here in Sydney, Australia. I don't know about everywhere else, I'm a bit sweaty. Yeah, there's a Suafai again. You take your time, it's very easy and simple. The only thing is to take a little longer is, what do you call? Can't help myself. It's, what do you call, the cycle, the tapioca pearls. Okay, I hope you're having a good day, good weekend. Enjoy your families, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love and God bless. God always bless. Okay guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm talking too much. See you later.